Hi, this is Gabriel, the productivity guy, bringing you ChatGPT PasteBuddy to help you chat smarter, not harder. Here's how it works. Suppose you wrote an email or even a simple draft and you want to make sure it sounds professional. Well, let me show you something.
Start by highlighting your email and then pressing Ctrl+C to copy it. Or you can do it the old-fashioned way by right-clicking and selecting copy. Once you've copied it, go to ChatGPT. Now, while pressing the Control or Command key, click on the Improve Email button in your PasteBuddy window. And just like that, as if by magic, it submits your draft and out comes a professionally crafted email. At this point, feel free to pause the video to see exactly how the email was improved. By the way, the prompt is set up to deliver the response in two ways. First, in standard format for you to review and approve. Second, in a code block so you can easily copy it. You are welcome.
And this is just one of the many ways ChatGPT PasteBuddy can help you chat smarter, not harder. In short, you're getting my most time-saving and commonly used prompts ready to use with one-click access. But stick with me to the end of the video and I'll show you how you can easily customize PasteBuddy with your own unique prompts, and you'll also gain access to a bonus prompt that I frequently use when writing marketing copy. So if you're into online marketing, you don't want to miss this prompt. But for now, let's explore each of the included prompts, which I'm sure you'll love.
First, we have the grammar check prompt. Use this prompt when you want to make sure your written work is grammatically correct, but at the same time, give ChatGPT a little room to make minor adjustments. Let's see it in action. I'm going to copy this text, which is part of one of my blog posts. Once copied, I'll submit it to ChatGPT using the grammar check button, like so. And without delay, ChatGPT starts to work its magic and quickly returns a revised version of your text, along with a summary of the changes made, if any were required. Next up is the engagement check prompt. This prompt supercharges your writing by making it sound more alive and engaging. In fact, this is my go-to prompt whenever I'm writing marketing copy. And if you're a copywriter or involved in content marketing, you're really going to love this one. But enough talk, let's see it in action. I'll use the same text as before. I'll copy the text, then feed it to ChatGPT using the engagement check button. Immediately, ChatGPT springs into action, delivering a more engaging version of your text and a list of changes made just in case you're curious. At this point, feel free to pause the video to analyze the improvements. If not, let's move on. The next prompt we'll explore is the prompt generator. If you create your own prompt and find yourself using it often, then it is probably a good idea to refine and optimize it for future usage. This prompt will help you do just that. Let's look at an example. We'll start by copying a simple prompt designed to generate ideas for search engine friendly and engaging blog titles. Then, we'll feed it to ChatGPT using the prompt generator button and watch the magic happen. Out pops a pimped out version of your prompt so you can get even better responses from ChatGPT. Beautiful. Now let's look at the before and after. I hope you're starting to see just how powerful this tool can be. Next, we'll explore the summarize prompt. This prompt is ideal for condensing content. Now, imagine stumbling upon a lengthy article about ChatGPT prompts, like this one. Reading this entire article would take a long time, and frankly,
ain't nobody got time for that.
In such cases, the summarize prompt comes in handy. So, if you have access to the free version of ChatGPT, simply select all text with Ctrl+A and then copy it using Ctrl+C. For those on the paid plan, the process is even simpler. Just copy the article's link, return to ChatGPT, and while holding the Control key, click the Summarize button. And just like that, with remarkable efficiency, ChatGPT summarizes the key points of the article, saving you serious time and ensuring you grasp the most important information quickly and easily.
What can I say except you're welcome?
Okay, enough of that. Up next, we have the Explain to Kid prompt. an incredibly handy tool for anyone, especially educators and parents, looking to translate complex topics into language a fourth grader would easily understand. For example, let's say you found a text explaining how large language models like ChatGPT work. It might look something like this. I'll copy the text, then go back to ChatGPT. Once here, I'll press and hold the Control key, then click on the Explain to Kit button. And there you have it. You get a summary explained so clearly that even a fourth grader can understand. Simply put, whenever you find yourself wrestling with a complicated subject, you can count on this prompt to step in and save the day. Up next, we have the Continue button. As a ChatGPT power user, you're bound to love this feature. In short, this button prompts ChatGPT to keep generating content when it gets stuck. And it will get stuck. You see, ChatGPT does provide its own continue generating button, but depending on the reason for the interruption, this button might not always be available. When this happens, you have two options. One, type continue and hit submit, or just click PasteBuddy's continue button once and you're good to go. Note that there's no need to press the Control key when using this continue button. One mouse click is all it takes. Last but not least, we have the Clear Input button. This button does exactly what it promises. It clears your input with a single click. Picture this, you're typing a prompt, but halfway through you change your mind and want a different prompt. You could erase it manually using the backspace key or select all and delete. But there's a simpler solution.
Of course there is.
Just click this button once and your input vanishes instantly. And if for some reason you want it back, just press Ctrl Z or Command Z on your computer and your prompt will be restored. Additional features you may like. 1. Move it.
I like to move it.
If the position of the PasteBuddy window isn't to your liking, simply grab the white bar at the top and move it to your preferred location. 2. Minimize it. Just double click the white bar to minimize it and again to restore it. 3. Hide it. Click on the PasteBuddy icon to access the pop-up, then toggle the on and off switch.
It's so easy.
4. Custom prompts. You can easily edit the default prompts or delete them and add your own. Allow me to show you how to add your own prompts, and as we do that, I'll also introduce you to the bonus prompt I mentioned earlier. Bonus prompt. This prompt is for all you copywriters out there. When you write any type of marketing copy, it is common practice to bold certain keywords and phrases in order to highlight key points. But before using this prompt, let's add it. First, I copy the prompt and navigate to my settings page. Once here, I add it like this. Afterwards, I click Save. Then, I return to ChatGPT, refresh the page, and now we can see our new prompt. Let's see it in action. I'll use this piece of marketing text. I'll copy it. Then I'll come to ChatGPT and use the bold keywords button. Now watch ChatGPT work its magic. And in seconds, it is done. This saves me a lot of thinking. I still review the bold keywords to make sure I agree with every choice, but it's usually spot on.
Finally, we are still in beta, so please be nice. If you find something you strongly dislike and would love to see improved, please contact me before leaving PasteBuddy a bad review. That would hurt his feelings. Well, my beautiful people, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed creating it. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, take care, and God bless.
It's a brand new day.